Hello all and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the step-by-step process of how to apply for ECA, Educational Credential Assessment, from WES. I will explain the full process, the required documentation, and where to upload your documents. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the bell icon for updates. Step-by-step process for ECA application. 1. Open your web browser. Use any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Search for WES Canada and open the World Education Services website. WES is one of the institutions where you can get your ECA done. 2. Select your country. On the WES homepage, select your country. For most viewers, this will be Canada. If applying for the US, select accordingly. 3. Select application type. Choose the ECA application for IRCC for PR purposes. 4. Enter email and verify. Enter your email address and click Next. Check your email for a verification code, enter it, and click Submit. 5. Fill in personal details. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Create a password and select Security Questions. Click Create an account. Fill in your personal information such as gender and phone number. 6. Add credentials. Select the country of your education, for example, Nigeria. Select the type of education, university education or polytechnic, and the degree, for example, Higher National Diploma. HND. Enter the institution name, field of study, years of study, and degree awarded. 7. Add residential address. Enter your address where you will receive the WES report. Select the delivery method, international courier if outside Canada. 8. Review and confirm details. Review all entered details carefully. Agree to WES terms and conditions. 9. Payment. Pay the total amount fee in CAD using a credit or debit card. After payment, you will receive an application number. 10. Upload documents. Upload a clear and legible copy of your final degree certificate. Follow WES guidelines for document submission. 11. University documentation. Fill out the academic records request form. Submit it to your university for them to send your attested degree certificate and transcripts to WES. Additional tips. Use reliable courier services like DHL or FedEx for sending documents. Please note, the more credentials you upload, the more service charge, so read the instructions on the website and upload the highest credential under your possession. Name placement is essential. Please type your name exactly as it appears in your credentials to avoid problems. The cheapest delivery method is e-delivery. You can have multiple accounts. It is essential to upload both the transcript and statement of result. Ensure all documents are properly stamped and signed by your university. Follow these steps to complete your ECA application through WES. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.